Hey guys, how are you? Hope everyone is doing good. So I'm going to share one more video with you, which is important, because I usually pick such video which is important for you, and you can use it in the real world. So I have just chosen this topic today: how to create a maintenance plugin in WordPress. We will create a plugin, right? In real time it will be working, right? So I'll show you. Last time we have created, I think, a form plugin we have created. So the same will be, the procedure will be the same. I'll just walk you through. This is the code actually I have written. This is a static one. You can't, of course the detail you can change, but plugin name is important, description is important, version, author, and all these things are important, because once you display the plugin, you just publish the plugin, all these information will be shown there, right? So this is the traditional one, and register, admin menu, maintenance page, settings, title page, and all these things. If you know little bit PHP, I'm sure that you will get idea exactly. I have just placed an icon as well in the setting page. I'll show you where it is, right? And then display setting, through post method, I am just getting some text entered into the admin area. So I have just created a separate admin area for that. I'll show you all these things are there. And then retrieve the stored option, maintenance options, right? So the text will be there. This is for the setting options. All these echo commands are there, right? So I'll tell you. And one more thing important, that I have just added view details as well. You might have seen there. I'll just show it to you. Once you go into the plugin, you will see like this view detail option, right? So if we click on this, so it shows all these things, installation and the details about the plugin, right? So this pop-up option I have just added there, right? This is the pop-up and CSS for this pop-up. We don't need to get into it, because you can just change it. You can change the size, bold, and in the end there is a JavaScript, so that the pop-up will be working well if you click on. But I have just changed one thing. Instead of usually you will see here view detail is there. So instead of there, I'll show you, I have just added this thing in the admin area, right? So if you click here, I have just added here view detail. If you click on, so this code actually works for that. This is CSS, and this pop-up code, that is for here, description, installation, frequently asked, review, screenshot, and all that, right? So if somebody wants to know about the plugin, so one can see that. So now I'll tell you, this is the entire code. One important thing I just want to share with you, though, if you in real time, when you create the plugin, you will see this kind of structure. First you will see the my plugin, the main file.php, readme.txt is important, uninstall.php is important. Once you publish it in the WordPress repository, license, if it is under license or GPL license, whatever license file is important. Under asset you will include many other things also. So this is the actually well structured file hierarchy, right? So this is how you need to do in the real time. But for now, because we can do, this is the most important thing, we can include everything inside this as well. But if the plugin is big, if it is very crucial and it's performing a big professional operations and all that, so then this structure is really required for better readability and everything, right? So this is how it should be. For now, I have just incorporated everything into one file at one go. I have just included, because it's it's not a very long file. Even the CSS I have included there only, right? So we are good to go. This is the code. We can just copy this code, and I've just copied it. Now I'll tell you how you can and where you can exactly or what is the procedure you can do and so that the plugin will be there. I'll show it to you. First, here is the plugin. I have just named it WSTech maintenance page. Name of the name of the page is that. So I'll tell you from the scratch, though you can do it offline as well. You can set up your offline server, and database and everything you can use there, like you can use XAMPP or offline. Of course, offline most of the people do professionally, they do, but I am working on a demo site. So this is usually where I work, demo.wstech.in, and it is under this wstech.in. So what exactly I need to do, you need to log in into your dashboard, the Hostinger dashboard, because my server provider is Hostinger. So you need to get into this first, and since it is the subdomain under this wstech.in, so it will show you this way, right? You can't directly get into there. So once you log in into your dashboard, you need to click on file manager, and I also strongly suggest that instead of working on direct website, you can just work around on a subdomain or offline as well. If you just want me to do it offline, you can just comment it in the comment box. I'll do that also. And once you click on this file manager, it will take you here under public.html. This is just a backup folder. I have just done that. This is the public. So many folders I have just created, subdomains. Here is the demo, right? And under demo, the plugin where you will find WP content. Under WP content, you will find a plugin option. Just double click on it and all the plugins will be there, right? All-in-one migration, this is the plugin I'm using, and maintenance plugin. I have just created limit login plugin, also job application plugin also. Last time I'm sure I have just shared it with you. So this is the plugin, actually maintenance plugin. So two files are there, readme.txt. You can just ignore it for now because I have just pasted, incorporated everything inside this, the same code. So you can just simply copy this code, right, and you can paste it here, right? So the same code is working there. WSTech maintenance page, version, you can change everything, right? So you can go through the code. I'll share it with you in the description. So, and once it's done, I'll just save it. Once you save it, you will find, go into your dashboard, WordPress dashboard, then you will see plugin. Under plugin, see WSTech maintenance page. So it is already activated, right? I'll show you. Here it won't show you because we are already logged in the browser. I'll just choose the Mozilla Firefox for that, and this is how it is, right? This is the page. Now I'll tell you functionality I was just talking about. You can change the image also, the files, right? And the file type I have just allowed JPG, PNG or GIF, right? In case if you just try to upload any other file. But before that, I'll show you. I have just created the function that on the left hand side you can see all these options in the bottom maintenance page, and this is the admin page where you can see the details. You can change the file. You can type here the text as well, like if I just change test, if I save it, I'll just show it to you, output test, right? This can also be changed, right? But mainly here you need to change, right? Or now one more thing, if you just click on here, all the details which I have already shared with you, that this is just for information purpose, right? This pop-up is an information purpose. So you can change this thing easily, save. You can change, for an example, this image, I'll save it and it will display. It's working perfectly fine. I have tested it with approximately for more than 10 different kind of themes. So it's working pretty good with that, right? So that's all you need to do. I'll share everything with you, and if you have any question regarding this, you can just write in the comment box, and next time I'll show you that how you can publish your plugin. You can test it on the different website, different environment, so that it will be compatible for backward forward compatibility and all that. So that I have already done. So this is how you can do it, and everything is under this maintenance. And if I one more thing, functionality, if I deactivate it, the website will be live. See, it's live there, right? So it's working pretty good. You can use this code, you can modify this code, and you can create your own plugin for that. So if you like the video, please do like and subscribe it, and if you have any kind of question, please just comment it here. You can reach us by any means. I'll just drop my contact information there, so you can reach us. Thank you so much. Have a great day.